is the story of the one who, as a maintenance specialist for a historic high-rise, knows that vintage charm historically needs constant attention. Which is why, when it's time to upgrade turn-of-the-century mechanicals, they turn to Granger. With easy access to 1 million-plus products and the scale to deliver when and where you need them. The right tools and supplies are never far away. So the one can keep that vintage building running like new. Call thegranger.com or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done. WINS FM in HD1 New York. Always live on the free Odyssey app.
10 winds, AccuWeather, sunshine with a few clouds, not as cold, less wind, the high of 40, tonight down to 31 in the city, 20s in most suburbs. You know that more people get their news from 1010 winds than from any other radio station in the nation? Colby McCaskill is our service aide. Chris Roush is our writer with Sarah Milano at the editor's desk. I'm Paul Burdane.
All news, all the time. This is 1010 Winds at 92.3 FM, New York.
Good morning. 29 degrees at 10 o'clock. I'm Kathleen Marple Calvin. Here's what's happening. It's the weather news you've been waiting for weeks. No storm this weekend. Milder temps on the way. Live AccuWeather coming up. Mayor Adams' corruption case is not going away. A judge appoints a special attorney. His honor weighs in on Governor Hochul's new guardrails. Flowers on the speed cam at Staten Island. Man claims responsibility for a campaign to block them. Now it's the Pentagon. President Trump abruptly fires the head of the Joint Chiefs of Staff and more. Pour one out for Margarita Day. Yeah, that's right. It's time to dip the rims in salt and get your drink on. Knicks lose, Yanks win their first exhibition game. 10-10 wins AccuWeather. Sunny, not as cold, the high 40. Swing East on 1001. Traffic and transit. Here's Andre Farrell.
Then we have big delays on the FDR and Harlem River Drive. Bumper-to-bumper action because of roving repairs as you pass the Tri-Borough Bridge southbound and northbound.
What does this bird do?
From 96th Street, bumper-to-bumper.
This bird. Where's he going?
Well, in and out of
Come here.
Manhattan, not so fast to the Bronx. On that southbound D is coming down towards exit 10. As you pass the Moxaloo, it's waiting for you up ahead as you head down towards the Cross Bronx. It's a vehicle fire. That's what's causing the drama. Now, you do have delays in the Bronx on the
This might not.
side of the
Oh, Linda is not having it today.
You want to go with 95 instead. That'll be better for you. I know usually it's slow by Country Club Road. Not today. And it's looking good, actually, southbound as you head over by Bartow and passing Co-op City. So that's the way to get around that. Here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. Inbound George Washington Bridge is wide open. The outbound delays, well, you have two spots. The westbound Cross Bronx by the Bronx River Parkway. Then the Alex is slow westbound. Just an extra 10 minutes going to be needed there. Lincoln and Holland tunnels are in good shape. We do have delays as you travel in Nassau County. Here's what we see on Long Island's Big 3. That crash still being worked on the Southern State Parkway just west of the Wantagh, approaching Route 106. It looks like it's off the shoulder now. LIE and Northern State Parkways are in good shape.